Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tsuki. Today I'm sharing my unboxing video of my 2021 bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. I started bullet journaling in middle of 2020. I learned a lot from bullet journaling. You don't really need a specific book for bullet journaling. You can do it in your own notebook. But I want to try out this specific bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. I think it will make my bullet journaling experience very easy. I ordered this bullet journal on November 17th and I received it on December 14th, which is less than a month. This bullet journal is originally priced at $28.98. I got it after 10% discount for $26.09. And the bullet journal I bought is Tsuki Falling Star Limited Edition Bullet Journal in A5 size. They have this bullet journal in 3 sizes: original, A5 and B5. Original one has only 128 pages and A5 and B5 both sizes have 176 pages. I like to talk about packaging first. As you can see, this bullet journal comes in 2 boxes. First one is the thick cardboard box and the second one is white box. So there isn't any damage to the book itself and nothing happened during the process of shipping. When I opened the bubble wrap bag, first thing I saw is their business card. They have mentioned their website and their Instagram handle in their business card. As you can see, this white box itself is so much pretty. As I mentioned, I bought Tsuki Falling Star Limited Edition Bullet Journal in A5 size. It has high quality handcrafted black linen cover, detailed with their falling star theme. Also, look at this beautiful metallic silver page edges. They're so much pretty. This bullet journal comes with elastic band closure, as you can see. In the first page, they have mentioned the name of this bullet journal, which is Falling Star Edition, and also have space to write down the owner's name. This bullet journal has 2 bookmark ribbons and 160 GSM ultra thick bright white paper, which is so much great. You can use watercolors, any type of brush pens in this bullet journal. There is no bleeding or ghosting. In all Notebook Therapy notebooks, they have a specific code at the last page which also matches the theme of the notebooks. When I was purchasing this bullet journal, I saw they have mentioned there's a small gift in the back storage pocket. It is a silver star paperclip which matches the theme of the notebook, and it is really cute, isn't it? To be honest, I'm really happy with this purchase. So if you are looking forward to buy a good bullet journal, I really recommend Notebook Therapy. I will link down their website and Instagram handle in the description. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more real life videos. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.